Upcycling your old watercolors. Have you ever taken a watercolor class and learned that perhaps you're not the best painter in the world, but you still have those paintings hanging out? Well, why not cut up those paintings and turn them into cards to send out into the world? Now, the hardest thing is to actually make the first cut to those watercolors. But you can look at the design and realize, hey, I could actually cut this up and they actually look better as cards. My friends are going to be impressed. Now, this painting was really not so great, but cut up and added some new watercolors to it. It didn't turn out so bad. This next painting, well, it was pretty dense. It was probably the best one for cutting up, as it really made a lot of nice cards, and I did some additional watercoloring on those cards and really had a lot of fun making this batch so I could send them out into some new form. This little painting had a lot of autumn colors, so I thought, well, it would probably be a good one for Thanksgiving cards. So I used some other little adornments and some puffy paints, and they didn't come out so bad. This little painting had a lot of white space. It was probably the most challenging, but Beth said, this one's not so bad. Go ahead and send it. And you know what? I did, and the recipient liked it anyway. Now, you knew I'd have a horse painting in here. I'll bet it's a pretty bad one, but when I cut it up, and especially when I realized I could take the bottom feet and say, hey, kick up your heels, it's your birthday, and use them as birthday cards, well, they worked okay. So don't be afraid to cut up your old watercolors that aren't going to get framed and hung in your house, and have fun making new cards and upcycling and taking something else and putting it out there in the universe, because people love to get cards. Happy crafting!